The pandemic in India is still going on. On top of that, there's a massive blackout. This just makes life even harder for the poor. So, Grandma Sally decided to make 1,000 curry meals for those in need. Curry has, of course, become popular all over the world. Beyond its origins in India, it's loved in places like Japan, Taiwan, and many other parts of Southeast Asia. And in many of these places, the curry has evolved from the original spicy Indian flavor with regions adding creamy notes or the sweetness of coconut. India was one of the first countries in the world to produce spices, and it's still known for producing some of the best. So why are Indian spices held in such high regard? It has a lot to do with India's persistently hot and humid climate. In the intense heat, people often lose their appetite. Also, food tends to spoil and grow bacteria much faster. By adding various spices to food, it does more than just enhance the color, aroma, and taste. It can stimulate the stomach lining, which helps to bring back one's appetite. Spices also help preserve the food, making it last longer. This is how curry was created, as a perfect collection of spices. Today, when Indians make curry, adding yogurt curd is an essential step. It adds a wonderful depth to the curry's flavor. Next comes the spicy trio. Salt, chili powder, and turmeric take the stage. Finally, they add coriander powder, a blend of multiple spices. It's all stirred together because Grandma Sally has been helping so many people in need these past few days, doing good deeds. She's in a wonderful mood. She even decided to wear her favorite traditional Indian outfit. This stirring might look simple, but it holds the key to a long-held tradition. A task like this requires Grandma Sally's expert touch. Meanwhile, her grandson Sally quietly peels potatoes. Once everything is ready, it's time to heat the oil. This makeshift earthen stove is working out quite nicely. In go the onions, fried until fragrant. The flavor of curry is rich, and the sweet aroma of the onions is essential to that. Of course, onions alone don't provide enough heat. You still need to add a good amount of green chilies. When it comes to curry, people in India love a good spicy kick. After frying until fragrant, she adds the spiced yogurt mixture they prepared earlier. She continues to stir. This is the very essence of the curry, frying all the spices and vegetables to their most fragrant state. Once the sauce comes to a boil, it's time to add the potato chunks Sally prepared. Now, many of you might be wondering, why didn't they add any meat? That's because, for religious reasons, a large part of India's population is vegetarian. By making a curry without meat, it ensures that more people can enjoy it. It really makes you appreciate the power of faith. Belief can give a person the strength to resist all kinds of temptations. Though at the same time, some might say it completely confines a person's thoughts and actions. Outsiders are often amazed, and yet they can't quite understand the deep devotion of the faithful. But that's a topic for another day. In India, curry dishes differ between the northern and southern regions. In the north, it's served with flatbread, while in the south, they prefer it with aromatic Indian rice. Since Grandma Sally lives in the north, she's pairing her curry with fried bread. With 1,000 servings of curry, they'll need to make much more than 1,000 pieces of bread. Grandma Sally wants to make sure everyone can eat until they're completely full. So preparing all this fried bread is a huge undertaking. When making the dough, they also add fresh cilantro and spices into the flour. For the people of India, the use of spice is a part of nearly everything they cook. Kneading such a huge batch of dough requires both Grandma Sally and her grandson to work together. They roll it into individual balls of dough. Then it's time to heat the oil again and prepare for frying. This repetitive, high-intensity work is a true testament to the kind and genuine spirits of this grandmother and her grandson. Kneading the dough over and over again. The frying is a slow and lengthy process. They've already fried several massive bowls full, but it's still not enough. The goal is for each person to have at least 2 pieces of bread, and so the frying continues.